All right, so we are working on the last color here, and this is a beautiful green. That's the original color right there. And the left side of the rug was heavily faded, and so, but we've done the green, but there is this spot right here, and actually right here as well, where you can see a little bit of a yellowish. So something happened there, either with you know, urine stain or whatnot. So if you have rugs that have urine stains, you don't have to live with them. We can actually use color theory to, once the rug has been decontaminated, we can actually restore the color. And so this is what it looks like. All right, look at that. Okay. Now we are using the Diebold airbrush system. So I've designed this so that the little cup cannot slip off. So if you were a rug cleaner or rug restorer, you would definitely want to get your hands on one of these. We're actually restoring this rug at the lowest PSI here, so that the dyes don't bounce off to the other areas. So let's get rid of this yellowish here as well. You see that? It's beautiful. If you want to take a look at what the rug looked like before, go ahead and find me on Facebook under Isa, the rug colorist. If you have any questions regarding dyes, restoring rugs, whatever it may be, let me know. If you're working with some mixed fiber in a rug, we also have a dye that can actually work with different types of fibers together, so it's pretty useful. I'm just gonna touch this up real quick a little more, and I will check the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.